Hi 230. So this is the lesson for April 21st. This is surface area of a rectangular prism. So the first thing we're going to go over is what is surface area. Surface area is the area on the outside of a shape. So for example, if you guys had a box of cereal, it would be the area of all of the sides on the outside of the shape. And so the formula we're going to be using for the rectangular prism is this one. So surface area is equal to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's start this first problem. So I can see that my height is going to be 7 feet. So I'll put that in, h equals 7 feet. I see my width along the bottom, that is 13 feet. And my length going backwards, that is 4 feet. Now, if you wanted to call length this and then width going that way, it doesn't really matter. The only one that kind of matters is height. Height should always be from the bottom to the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's plug this into our formula. So surface area is equal to 2 times length times width. Well, length is 4, so 2 times 4, and width is 13, so times 13. Plus 2 times length times height. So 2, the length is 4, the height is 7. Plus 2 times width times height. So 2 times the width, which is 13, times the height, which is 7. Please ignore Walter back here. He's trying to get my Cheez-Its. He's being really dramatic. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this. So I need to solve that problem right there. So I'm going to do 2 times 4 times 13. 2 times 4 times 13, that's 104. Plus 2 times 4 times 7, that is 56. Plus 2 times 13 times 7, that is 182. So now I have to add those numbers up. So 104 plus 56 plus 182 is going to be 342. So that means the surface area, the area of all of the sides on the outside, is 342 feet squared. Area is always to the second power. If you guys remember, all of the volumes we've done are always to the third power. Area is always to the second power. All right, let's do one more of these together. So I can see that my height on the next one is going to be 6 centimeters. My width is going to be 12 centimeters. And my length is going to be 4 centimeters. All right, let's plug this into our formula. So surface area equals 2 times length times width. So that's going to be 4 times 12. Plus 2 times length times height. So that's going to be 4 times 6. Plus 2 times width times height. So that's going to be 12 times 6. All right, let's go ahead and start multiplying. So 2 times 4 times 12, I get 96. Plus 2 times 4 times 6, I get 48. Plus 2 times 12 times 6, I get 144. All right, last step, I got to add those numbers together. So 96 plus 48 plus 144, and I'm going to get 288. So the surface area in this case is 288 centimeters squared. All right, I'm going to do the last two, and I will upload this onto Google Classroom. All right, bye guys.